One day, as Sarah sat on the couch, her young son, Liam, looked at her curiously. He noticed that her tummy was much bigger than usual. With a puzzled expression, he asked, "Mommy, why is your belly so big?" Sarah smiled warmly and pulled Liam close. "Well, sweetie," she began, "there's a very special reason for that. Do you remember how we talked about how families grow?" Liam nodded, his eyes wide with interest. "Right now," Sarah continued, "there's a tiny baby growing inside my belly. That's why it's getting bigger. The baby needs a safe, cozy place to grow before they're ready to come out and meet us." Liam's eyes lit up with excitement. "A baby? Inside your belly?" "Yes," Sarah said, gently placing his hand on her tummy. "You were in my belly once, too, before you were born. It's a very special place where babies start their journey. But how does the baby get out?" Liam asked, his curiosity growing. "When the baby is ready," Sarah explained, "they will let us know by sending a special signal to my body. Then, I'll go to the hospital, where the doctors and nurses will help the baby come out. It's called childbirth. It can be a little hard for me, but it's all worth it because that's how we get to meet our new family member." Liam thought for a moment and then asked, "Does it hurt?" Sarah paused and then said, "It can hurt a bit, but it's a different kind of hurt. It's a good kind because it means the baby is coming. And once the baby is here, all that goes away because we're so happy to see them." "Wow," Liam whispered, amazed by the idea. "So, I was in your belly too?" "That's right," Sarah replied, hugging him close. "You were, and now this baby will join our family, just like you did. It's a wonderful thing." Liam snuggled into his mother's arms, feeling proud and excited. "I can't wait to meet the baby," he said with a big smile. "Neither can I," Sarah whispered, feeling her heart fill with love.